In this example, we want to interpret how this exponential function has been transformed. Let's take a closer look. First thing you want to do is you want to see if there's a vertical stretch or compression. This corresponds to the a value. This comes in front usually, okay? And as you can see, there is something in front. It's a negative or -1. Now, that just means there is no vertical stretch or compression, but that does mean there is a reflection in the x-axis since it is a negative sign or a -1, okay? Next up, we want to see if there is a horizontal stretch or compression. That corresponds to a k value. Now, the k value would be positioned right in front of the variable of x. Since there is no k value, that means there's no horizontal stretch or compression, and it also means there is no reflection in the y-axis. Next up, we want to see if there's a translation up or down. This corresponds to the c value. The c value is right over here, and this is usually positioned right here. And since there is no c value, that means there is no translation upwards or downwards. And last but not least, we want to see if there's a translation left or right, and this corresponds to the d value. The d value is located directly beside the variable of x, and since there is no d value, that means there is no translation left or right. So what we can conclude is that there is indeed a transformation, and it is a reflection